Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own LLC. Now why do I recommend it? Only because I always say that you should focus on making the money, running the business, and also creating value for people and not taking care of administration, accounting, and also how to start a business. Outsource as much as you can and focus on making the money. So when you're going to come here to Incfile, you want to click Start My Business. Here you're going to choose the LLC and state of formation. You're going to choose Nevada right here. And then you see the Platinum, Gold, and Silver version. So my recommendation is going with the middle way Gold, only because in Silver you're going to have the basics with the free registered agent, unlimited name searches, preparing, filling the articles. But with the Gold version, you're going to have the business tax number, IRS form, operating agreement, banking resolution, business tax consultation. With the Platinum version, you're going to have also the expedited filling, domain name, business email, and business contract templates. The Platinum version, the expedited filling means that your company would be filled faster, the LLC. So I'm going to choose the Gold version now. And here I would add also the first name, last name, and email. So I go like this. And of course, I don't know if I forgot to mention, but you click here LLC, and yes, you choose here Nevada. And Gold version, first name, last name, email address, okay, and phone number. Okay, here I got it. And then you're gonna add a street address, city, and state, Nevada. Then zip code. Now I'm going to click next. When you have it, you're gonna have option here, guys, the state filling time. So if you want, you can make it faster for in 2 days or 3 weeks. It depends how fast you want your LLC. Then you're gonna click next again. Then you're gonna choose an LLC name. So LLC name can be Bakery with Jessica, or Bakery by Marcus, or Hair Salon, or I don't know. I'm going to name it what is name of my company, Sanwi. And then I'm going to add number of members and owners. It's going to be 1. And business purpose. So here I'm going to add business purpose here. That's going to be marketing service for small business owners. Okay, when I have it, I'm going to add also the industry keyword. So let's say marketing. And here I got marketing consulting services. So when I have this all, I'm going to have an option to also add a company address information. And here you have to add, like if you want to have the professional business address, that you would maintain privacy by using a commercial address, or you can use your own address. So this is completely up to you. And when you got it, just press next again. Then you're gonna have the premium service package here that you can upgrade for only $99 to receive these 2 premium services. So you can have the business contract templates, domain name, business email address. And if you want, you can easily get it for $100. And if you need the business contract templates, you're gonna find like all of the terms of service, privacy policy, etc. If you need those, go ahead and click get upgrade bonus. If not, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you need to add members. If you're representing a company, you're gonna need to choose a company and then have the company name and everything here. If you're representing individual, just click here individual and add first name, last name, address, and ownership, and then click next again. Now you're gonna have also option to have registered agent information here. So you can have the assign Incfile as my registered agent, or I would like to act as my own registered agent. So you choose it right here. And I would recommend like definitely going with the Incfile here, only because they're going to cover a lot of stuff for you and you don't have to do it by yourself. You got it for free for first year, so that's amazing. And then you're gonna have the tax identification number information here. So this is something that again Incfile is going to cover for you. We will apply and obtain your number from the IRS electronically. And then you just write either the IT number or the SSN. Physical street address, and next. Then you get also option that you can open new account with Bank of America. So someone like the small business specialist will contact you. Or you're like, no, I don't want them to contact me. And then when you got it, click next. And then you get an option to have a free consultation here. So you can learn how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit. All of that, and you can click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. That's something that I definitely recommend for you to do. And we identified 2 licenses for your consulting business in Nevada. So again, here I would recommend that yes, they are going to cover it for you, that yes, identify all licenses I need. Or you can click here, no thanks, I'll do the work myself. But I recommend like actually going with the Incfile. And then when you got it again, you would just add the company address here. And then you could click press next again. And the last thing is going to be review order. So here you're going to review all the data, all the information that you added in Incfile. So if everything is all right, and when you're going to check everything, then you're going to click next again. And here you're going to have the billing information. So here you're going to add a cardholder first name, last name, street address, card number, all the important stuff, all the important data. And then you got it. So this is pretty much it how it is, and this is how pretty much you can do it. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. Creating company is nothing that difficult. I always recommend just outsource it as much as you can. Don't try to do it by yourself. And like as you can see, Incfile made my first time entrepreneurial experience a peaceful one, and that's how it should be. Like, entrepreneurship is not hard. You just have to be effective and have good systems, and then you're always gonna win. It's always about systems, nothing else. People think it's about goals, visualizing. Okay, it's like, in my opinion, 10% are, then the 90% are systems. They're going to be, if you're effective, if you're good, mamma mia, unstoppable. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.